If you're a DSA dealing with scattered leads, endless follow-ups and missed commissions, then what you're about to see might just be the fix you didn't know you needed. No, seriously, if you're a loan agent juggling with 10 leads, 5 calls, 3 lenders and hundreds of WhatsApp messages, you're barely surviving the mess. But what if one tool could handle your entire journey like your own digital manager, but way faster? That's exactly what this video is about. You will see how Buopso CRM is changing the game for direct selling agents. No tech jargon, no confusion, just real solutions for real problems you face every day. You know how loan queries come in when you're in the middle of 5 other things and the next day you forget who asked for what. That's how hot lead turns to cold. Buopso gets that. It automatically reminds you when it's time to follow, be it a call, message or email. The system nudges you before the lead even thinks of going elsewhere. Once you have got their attention, the next struggle begins. Different loans need different forms and yet you are stuck with one boring pipeline. That's where Buopso gives you the full control. You create your own fields, pipelines and forms depending on what you need. Whether it's home loans, personal loans or SME finance, clean, custom and completely your way. So now you have captured and customized the lead. But where's all the info? Right here in BizTabs. This is your all-in-one view. Customer data, follow-ups, documents, progress, everything in one screen. No juggling between the software, no clicking around like a maniac. But you also need to see the bigger picture, right? What your team is working on, which stage each loan is in, what's stuck, what's approved. It's all there in real-time dashboard. Think of it like your DSA command center. Total visibility without the Excel headache. Now let's talk about lead quality. You know those frustrating duplicate leads that come in from multiple platforms? Yeah, Buopso handles that too. Its auto de-duplication feature merges duplicate leads and gives you one clear version. So you don't call the same customer twice or waste time chasing the ghost leads. And here's something that makes life even easier. When you're out meeting clients, you can still manage everything from the Buopso mobile app. View leads, update status, call or WhatsApp, all from one screen. Zero copy pasting, zero delays. All of this sounds smooth, right? But let's not forget your team. User roles and permissions ensure that everyone only sees what they need. Your agents don't snoop into other details and your data stays organized and secure. And what about commissions? Tracking who owes what gets messy, specifically across lenders. But with commission management, you get real-time updates, auto-generated invoice, and error-free GST TDS calculations. No missed earnings, no surprises. Oh, and one last gem, customizable CRM. From labels to workflows to dashboards, Buopso bends to fit your business. You don't adapt to the software adapts to you. So, if you're still stuck in spreadsheets and missed follow-ups, stop. Because with Buopso, your DSA workflow just turned into a DSA superpower. For more details or updates, visit www.buopso.com and get a free demo today. Buopso, grow smart.